We've had a lot of people in our inbox and comments over the last few months asking how we install magnets. So rather than explaining it over and over again, we thought it was about time we made a video to show you all. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how quick and easy it really is to do. So we've seen people who just drill holes into the model after printing and pop them in, but really it's easier and far more accurate to edit the file for magnet space before printing. So take your file into whatever 3D editing software you're most comfortable with and make sure it's the correct size for your project. We use 3D Builder, it's just the free software that comes with Windows and it's actually super simple and easy to use. With your file imported, create a cylinder shape the size of the magnet you wish to install. Here it's important to note that it's always going to work best with a nice chunky peg. Squeezing a 2mm magnet into a small peg to try and attach a leg just isn't going to cut it on a 1/4 model like this. The width of the magnets could also be considered more important than the length. Whatever size you use, just add 0.15mm onto the shape that you create. This helps to account for any resin shrinkage, but also keep them tight so that the magnets don't break glue and start pulling each other out of place. Once you've got the shape into the most central spot of the peg, use the subtract tool to remove the shape from the model piece. This method also helps to prevent your model from becoming a rattle. This process leaves a flaw to the magnet space, whereas if you use a hole created in Linktree, you run the risk of popping the magnet all the way through into the model. Now to the easy part, support and print your model. One little tip, leave a small drain hole on the magnet hole floor to give air/glue a little space to move into when you insert the magnet. These are the magnets we use from First for Magnets, and we may just be their top customer at this point. N52s are stronger than N42s, but N42 does the job perfectly, so I don't personally think it's worth the extra money for the N52 magnets. Now we get to the install. We do this pre-curing so that it's easier to fit them in. Check once, twice, and then again for good measure that you are using the correct pole of the magnet in each connecting model piece. Don't learn the hard way like I have done in the past and try to put polarizing magnets against each other. You just can't beat science. Once you're confident you got it right, drop in some of your glue of choice and push the magnet into place. To have a nice clean fit when it comes to building the statue, you'll want to get them as flush as possible. Make sure you have some sort of tool handy to help you push them in if needed. You don't want a half-in magnet and start panicking over the glue setting with nothing to hand to help you. And there we have a magnetized Alucard statue. This process has been absolutely vital to our shipping process and make sure that our models arrive safely. Hope it can help you, and as always, let us know if you try this method out. Thank you so much to all of our patrons who help make these videos possible. Special thanks to our students and apprentices, Elisa May, Malik Thomas, Ryan Allen, the 3D Acolyte, Seth the Overwitch and Brad S. Please do come join us over on Patreon for early access to these videos as well as some other bonus content. Thank you and goodbye.